Hyundai recalls over 294,000 vehicles due to seat belt anchor. Defects Hyundai Motor Group has issued a significant recall affecting 294,128 vehicles due to a critical safety flaw involving front seat belt anchors. The defect poses a serious risk. If the anchor detaches during a collision, the seat belt may fail to restrain the occupant, significantly increasing the risk of injury. The core issue: a structural failure. The recall centers on a damaged snap-on anchor that connects the seat belt to the vehicle's frame. Investigations revealed that these clips may not be securely attached to the seat, a problem attributed to either improper installation during manufacturing or faulty repairs. The safety implications are high because seat belts rely on a rigid connection to the vehicle's chassis to absorb the force of an impact. If the anchor snaps off or detaches, the belt becomes ineffective at the exact moment it is needed most. Affected models and timeline: the recall impacts a wide range of vehicles, from high-volume electric models to luxury flagships. The affected lineup includes Ioniq 6, 2023-2025, Santa Fe and Amp, Santa Fe Hybrid, 2024-2026, Genesis G90, 2023-2026. The issue came to light last autumn following a complaint regarding a 2025 Santa Fe. By October, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, began receiving reports of anchor clips detaching during rear-end collisions. Subsequent investigations confirmed the defect, prompting the large-scale recall. Impact and risk assessment: while the number of recalled vehicles is substantial, the immediate physical risk appears contained for now. Hyundai has acknowledged 6 reports of insufficiently attached anchors in the United States. But notably, no injuries have been reported in connection with this specific defect. Current estimates suggest that only approximately 1% of the total recalled fleet is actually affected by the faulty component, though the recall is being conducted broadly to ensure total safety compliance. The solution: what owners need to do. Hyundai has already taken steps to prevent this issue in newly manufactured cars by implementing a redesigned snap-on anchor. For existing owners of the affected models, the following steps are required. Inspection: owners must take their vehicles to an authorized Hyundai or Genesis dealership. Reinforcement: technicians will inspect the lower seat belt anchor and apply a reinforcement remedy. Replacement: if the anchor is found to be compromised, the entire seat belt assembly will be replaced. Note for owners: notification letters are expected to be mailed to affected customers starting in June. Conclusion: while no injuries have been reported, this recall highlights a critical vulnerability in vehicle restraint systems. Owners of the listed models should monitor their mail for official notification to ensure their seat belt assemblies are inspected and reinforced.